So guys, there's a very useful feature in Zerodha. You can go to any stock and click on more option and click on set alert. This will do is you can set alert to any of the stock at any of the price. For example, right now, if you want to get alert at Indalco when it reaches 485, you can set an alert. Okay, so then you will get the pop out telling that, let's say you have to buy it at 485. So if you click on create, so it will create your alert, and once the stock reaches to 485, it will give you a notification that the stock had reached the price. Okay, so this was a very useful feature in Zerodha. So guys, if you want to know more tricks like this, in one of my video I have shared more than 10 plus tricks. The link is in the description below of this video and also in the comment section. So go there and watch that full video to know more 10 plus tricks in Zerodha. Okay, and also if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Learn how to make money consistently in trading. You can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen.